fucking bellend. Don't fucking drive.
You can't park here, mate.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4. We've got millions of free child place holidays available, with 22 kilograms of baggage included. Book now with Jet2 holidays.
Street dots, but I can connect the city right there.
In it, bro. Are you fuck? Oh.
Fucking idiot, did he?
Video protected.
the actual fuck? What the actual fuck?
But the EU AI Act, I know need to get out now. Yes, I know, but I won't. But the EU AI Act is very clear in terms of...
Dry and cloudy at first this afternoon, apart from a few showers. Through the afternoon, light rain or drizzle will develop in the west, spreading over the western half of Ireland this evening. Highest temperatures of 15 to 20 degrees in light to moderate northwesterly winds. Adam. Thanks, Ray. French voters are going to the polls today in the first round of its snap legislative election. The election was called by President Emmanuel Macron following the significant gains by Marine Le Pen's right-wing National Rally Party in the European elections. Right-wing National Rally Party in the European elections. The move was seen as an attempt to catch the right off guard and shore up support for his centre.
Jesus fucking Christ. That's utter cock.